Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Rudy here with Euro Yard Service, and you can see Matt hard at work power raking. We are out here on a beautiful acreage and doing one of the last spring cleanups. And while we do this on a beautiful day here in Parkland County, we want to remind you, stay all safe, but enjoy the mow and enjoy the long weekend, May long weekend that is. So if your lawn hasn't been looked after, gotta get it going there, gotta get cracking, because you can do the power raking only for so long. There he is. He's pulling out lots of dead grass. As you can see there, lots of dead grass. So you might wonder why we actually use a walk behind power rake on an acreage like this, and why not basically put an attachment on a lawn tractor or on a sit-on mower. Well, simply said, only a true power rake can pull up all this dead debris the way we do it. Otherwise, you're going to have those drag along tine rakes that do a somewhat decent dethatching job, but they are nowhere near as efficient and effective as a true power rake. It looks surely like hard work, so if you have an acreage, this may be a serious workout for you. That's why you hire a professional, because they do that on a daily basis in the spring. Or if you want to stick to your tine rake on your lawn tractor, go ahead, do that. That's better than doing nothing, for sure. So I'm going to give Matt a little bit headway. Before we pick it up with a zero turn, we bag it, because all this dead grass, as it sits on the lawn, has to be picked up immediately, otherwise the lawn will suffer and it will not grow properly actually. So you're gonna pick all this stuff up here on an acreage. The easiest way to do it is with a bagging system on your mower. So there you have it.